What's up guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. I will telling about the euro coin system is used by many European countries, including Spain, which is sometimes historically referred to as España. Among the smallest coins in circulation is the 5-cent euro coin, a small copper-colored coin that quietly plays an important role in everyday transactions. The 2015 Spanish 5-cent coin may look simple at first glance, but behind it lies a story connected to European unity, Spanish culture, and modern coin design. Spain officially adopted the euro in 1999 for electronic transactions and introduced euro coins and banknotes into everyday use in 2002. This change replaced Spain's former currency, the Spanish Peseta, which had been used for more than a century. The switch to the euro was a historic moment because it linked Spain's economy with many other European countries in a shared currency system. Since then, Spanish euro coins have continued to be minted each year, including the 5-cent coin issued in 2015. The 5-cent euro coin belongs to a group of copper-colored coins that include the 1-cent and 2-cent denominations. These coins are easily recognized by their reddish color, which comes from their special metal composition. The 5-cent coin is made from copper-plated steel, giving it durability while keeping production costs low. The coin measures about 21.25 millimeters in diameter and weighs around 3.92 grams. Its smooth yet slightly raised rim helps people identify it easily when handling coins. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Spanish 5-cent coin is the image displayed on its national side. The design features the famous Cathedral of Santiago de Compostela, one of the most important religious and historical landmarks in Spain. This magnificent cathedral is located in the city of Santiago de Compostela in the region of Galicia. For centuries, it has been the final destination of the famous Christian pilgrimage route known as the Camino de Santiago, which attracts travelers and pilgrims from around the world. The cathedral itself is an architectural masterpiece that reflects centuries of Spanish history and religious tradition. Construction began in the 11th century, and over time the structure grew into one of the most impressive Romanesque and Baroque buildings in Europe. By placing this monument on its euro coins, Spain celebrates its cultural heritage and shares an important symbol of its national identity with the rest of Europe. On the coin, the detailed image of the cathedral shows its ornate facade, towers, and grand entrance. Above the image, the word Espa appears to identify the country that issued the coin. Around the design are 12 stars representing the European Union, symbolizing unity among the member states that use the euro. The year of minting, 2015, is also displayed clearly on the coin. The reverse side of the 5-cent euro coin is common across all Eurozone countries. It shows a map of Europe designed by Belgian artist Luc Luix, who created the shared side of euro coins. This design emphasizes the idea that although each country has its own national symbols, all euro coins belong to one unified currency system used across Europe. Coins like the Spanish 5-cent may seem ordinary because millions are produced each year. They circulate through markets, shops, public transportation systems, and vending machines. Everyday people use them to buy small items or receive them as change. However, even common coins carry stories about the history, politics, and culture of the countries that produce them. The year 2015 was an interesting period for Spain within the Eurozone. During this time, Europe was still recovering from the economic crisis that had affected many countries earlier in the decade. Spain had experienced high unemployment and economic challenges, but by 2015 the country was showing signs of recovery. Coins minted during this time reflect not only daily commerce but also a period of rebuilding and economic stabilization in Spain. Collectors around the world often study euro coins because each country produces unique national designs. Even though the value of a circulating 5-cent coin is small, certain versions may become collectible in the future if they are produced in limited numbers or preserved in excellent condition. Coin collectors pay close attention to mint marks, production years, and design variations that might make specific coins more interesting. The Spanish 5-cent coin is typically produced by the Royal Mint of Spain, officially known as the Real Casa de la Moneda. This historic mint has been responsible for producing Spanish coins for centuries. Today it continues to manufacture euro coins using modern minting technology while maintaining traditional craftsmanship. From a design perspective, the coin demonstrates how modern currency balances practicality and symbolism. Its copper-colored surface ensures easy recognition, while its national design tells a story about Spanish culture. The image of the Cathedral of Santiago de Compostela reminds people of Spain's deep historical roots and its connection to European heritage. Although billions of euro coins circulate across the continent, each one carries a small piece of history. A person holding a Spanish 5-cent coin minted in 2015 might simply see spare change, but a closer look reveals a connection to centuries-old architecture, religious pilgrimage, and the modern European economic system. Coins often serve as miniature ambassadors for their countries. Through their designs, they introduce the world to national landmarks, important figures, and cultural achievements. Spain chose the Cathedral of Santiago de Compostela not only because of its beauty but also because it represents a place where people from many different countries have gathered for centuries on a shared journey. In this way, the Spanish 5-cent coin reflects the spirit of both Spain and Europe. It shows how a small object used in daily life can carry a message about unity, history, and cultural pride. Whether it is found in a wallet, a cash register, or a collector's album, the 2015 Spanish 5-cent euro coin continues to remind people of Spain's place within the wider European story.
Goodbye, guys.